Dyan'van back again with the one and only Dyan'van. If you haven't subscribed, please do the right thing. Hit that subscribe button. Make fucking notification bell or note. Because we are about to be consistent right now. We are about to drop fire after fire after fire. So we're gonna end reaction kudala ufuna uziva. Some of you've been checking my YouTube, you're like, when is this nigga even dropping? Should I unsubscribe? But it's a different day, a different video, and today we're reacting to one of my favorite South African artists, bruh. Orish3000, Uma Oza. If you've never heard me talk about my Oza, man, you would think I'm glazing the homie, but it's actually that good. The name of the song is Koloni, which is Western Cape. So without wasting any more time, okay, wait. Firstly, guys, this is one of the hardest hip-hop producers, dog. I don't know if he produced this, but like, dog, ingoma that nigga jumps on, the production on that thing, Umchita is just pure talent, dog. We're not glazing, it's just pure talent. But let's get it. Why did ngoma? I got ngoma. What if we whack? Okay. Okay.
Oh baby, oh hot, ungibetheli lang. On the rocks, uhlala emhlang. Spun the block, nambetheli sang. And she sharp, likala lepang.
How do you open up like that? Oh baby, oh hot, ungibetheli lang. Nola ngibethela yon. Ungibetheli lang. On the rocks. Maybe he's sipping on some Henny or some cognac. On the rocks. Uhlala emhlang. Mhlanga rocks. In case they didn't. Nigga! She's spinning the block. Umdraweli sang. Circle is supposed to sang. She's sharp. I don't know if she's sharp or he's sharp. Like a panga. That nigga, you don't open like that, dog. If you don't mean business. Fuck. When they would let me keep quiet. Let me just
oh baby, oh hot, ungibetheli lang.
Okay.
On the rocks, uhlala emhlang. Spun the block, nambetheli sang. And she sharp, likala lepang. Cela nongeni mqhobeli izandla. Cela nongeni mqhobeli izandla. Cela nongeni mqhobeli izandla. Cela nongeni mqhobeli izandla. Ufike ne-afro ucula uloliwe. Ndakhupha igitara wacula namboni uyoyika.
Fuck hell no. Ufike ne-afro ucula uloliwe. Ufike ne-afro ucula. Who sings uloliwe ne-afro? Zahara. Maybe she's from, maybe you got a chick from Koloni. He's from eNtshona Koloni, the name of the song. Rural Eastern Cape chick. Ufike ne-afro ecula uloliwe. Wamkhuphela igitara. And she started singing on it. Man! Igama nguma
Aphula me maki nimphatheli komiti.
Okay.
Indoda yomxhosa baby andikwazi utolika. Ulahlekelwe khuphi affidavit. Ulahlekelwe akhe never.
Ulahlekelwe ngoni affidavit. Ulahlekelwe. She's mean mugging. Amkhuphela ikomiki. Men mugging. Mug. Komiki. Ulahlekile. Amkhuphela affidavit. Uthina bakom. When you lose your phone, first thing they tell you, go do an affidavit, say that you lost. Man, sorry man, I feel like this will be a fucking long reaction. Let me I get too excited, man. I get too
excited. eNtshona Koloni is where I made it. Kabuke Kolina scammer now. Basondazi I'll validate it. Losing patience, I'm medicated. I'm not funny son, I'm trying. Like I'm wheezy, I'm dedicated. Hello. Ungumela mantenu tanda ukupa mazingi. mama no baby thuluza qim yena owena ijaqi standing on business awubona inimil soze umbone ndihambe ngingcini thini unxela sonke sikuvile I seen you out usekodola ubaby uhot unvezela ilanga on the rocks uhlala emhlanga spun the block nambethela isanga eshishop licala lebhanga cela nonke nimqhobele izandla cela nonke nimqhobele izandla cela nonke nimqhobele izandla cela nonke nimkhuphele izandla ubaby uhot unvezela ilanga on the rocks uhlala emhlanga spun the block nambethela isanga eshishop licala lebhanga cela nonke nimqhobele izandla cela nonke nimqhobele izandla cela nonke nimqhobele izandla cela nonke nimkhuphele izandla.
My boy, dog, the name of the song is Koloni. My boy does say in the song that Upuma and Koloni, he made it big at Josie. It was on DJ Slick's album, like, oh, dog. He was on, I think, 3 or 4 features on there, him and K-Kid. Shout out to DJ Slick, putting on in Cape Town, dog. And then they dropped that Bangerville. It was like banger after banger after banger after banger. And DJ Slick wasn't lying when he said he does enjoy doing albums where there's like a love song. Like he wants to drop projects just like Bangerville where it's banger after banger after banger after banger. And that's what Bangerville was literally. That's what Bangerville was, dog. Bangers only. That was the Orish. If you don't know Orish, guys, I can't keep preaching. I can't teach you everything. Go look at Orish or call it album or K-Kid. Fuck, what's the name of that thing? But on the cover it's like a cartoon. Yeah, the cartoon. That project introduced me to K-Kid and Orish. But yeah, see you next time.